Hey guys, this is Andre at Honest Home Services. Just got done installing this whole home air cleaner on this customer system in Colleyville. I just wanted to show you guys what goes into that, kind of how it looks like, how it works. So starting off over here is this first part. See that little red light there is telling us it's on. We'll just switch this furnace off. Pull this out and show y'all. This is how easy it is to service. Just pull this little plug here. And here comes the filter. There you go. So this right here is our polarized media cleaner. What's so special about this thing is it filters really well, but also it's only 1 inch thick. So this allows the furnace to flow a lot more air and operate more efficiently. This filter is good for 97% of particles down to 0.3 microns. It's incredibly awesome. I mean, it's just great because you get the best of both worlds. So there it is back in there, reinstalled. Okay, and then moving on over here, that's our filtration part of the system. This is our air cleaner. The way that this one works is it has a catalytic converter in there, as well as a UV light that runs the length of that catalytic converter. So you'll see here in this picture that carbon mesh filter on the top. That is activated by the UVC light in there, and it will produce trace hydroperoxide, and it will disperse that UV light, and anything that goes across that carbon mesh filter is going to get seared onto it and neutralized. This right here is great for removing volatile organic compounds, smoke, viruses, bacteria, anything like that. This system is going to do a really good job of handling. Just kind of want to get y'all an idea what it looks like. Just got done doing 3 in this home, and here's 2 of those systems.